Hi everyone, welcome back to Fluent & Co, where you go from absolute beginner to fluent in Cantonese. Today's lesson 3, we are going to learn about pronouns and continue with some essential greetings. Before we start, I would like to go over what we learned in the last lesson. Please repeat after me. 你點啊? How are you? 你最近點啊? How have you been lately? 你呢排點啊? How have you been lately? 好耐冇見 Long time no see. 我好好 I'm very good. 我幾好 I'm pretty good. 我唔錯 I'm not bad. 麻麻地 I'm alright. 差唔多 I'm alright. 過得去 I'm alright. 我唔好 I'm not good. 你呢? What about you? 有心 Thank you for your concern. If you missed the last lesson, be sure to go back and listen so you can practice along. Now, let's talk about personal pronouns. Please repeat after me. 我 I 你 you 佢 he, she, it 我哋 we 你哋 you as in plural 佢哋 There. Now let's put them into sentences. How would you say, what is your name? 你叫咩名? How would you say, what is her name? 佢叫咩名? How would you say, my name is? 我叫 Let's move on to titles. Please repeat after me. 先生 Mr. 太太 Mrs. 女士 Ma'am 小姐 Miss. In Cantonese, we put the last name in front of the titles. For example, 黃先生 Mr. Wang. Let's practice using them in sentences. How would you say, Madam Lee, nice to meet you. 李女士，好高興認識你。How would you say, Miss Chang, long time no see? 張小姐，好耐冇見。Now let's move on to some essential greetings that you will use every day. Please repeat after me. 早晨 Good morning. 早唞 Good night. 再見 Goodbye. 多謝 Thank you. 唔該 Thank you for a service or excuse me. 唔使 You are welcome. 唔好意思 I'm sorry for a small mistake. 對唔住 I'm sorry for a big mistake. 唔緊要 Never mind. Now let's put them into sentences. How would you say, Good morning, Mr. Deng? 早晨，鄧先生 How would you say, Goodbye, Mrs. Fong? 再見，方太太 How would you say, You're welcome, Miss Wu? 唔使，胡小姐 How would you say, Never mind, Mrs. Liang? 唔緊要，梁太太 How would you say, Good night, Mr. Choi? 早唞，蔡先生 You learned so much today. Let's do a recap right now. Please repeat after me. 我 I 你 you 佢 he, she, it 我哋 we 你哋 you as in plural 佢哋 There. 先生 Mr. 太太 Mrs. 女士 Ma'am 小姐 Miss 早晨 Good morning 早唞 Good night 再見 Goodbye 多謝 Thank you 唔該 Thank you for a service or excuse me 唔使 You are welcome 唔好意思 I'm sorry for a small mistake. 對唔住。I'm sorry for a big mistake. 唔緊要。Never mind. Before we go, let's listen to a natural conversation between two people using what we have learned. 早晨，蔡女士，我哋好耐冇見。好耐冇見，黃小姐，你呢排點啊？我好好，你呢？我唔錯，有心。That's a wrap for lesson 3 of Fluent with Nicole. Don't forget to download the notes I prepared so you can study along. If you found this lesson helpful, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss the next lesson. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!